Let go.
G'day, Peter here from Pacific Trading Post. I'm often in hotel rooms and hotel rooms have often got a TV remote with flat batteries in them. They're almost always flat, like this one here doesn't work. And so I learned this little trick, and I only just learned this from my lovely fiance. But and I've been in so many hotel rooms with flat batteries, but she assures me that this works. So let's try it. But if you just get the batteries out and then bite them. And then I'll bite this one too. I don't know why this works. Somebody with a better mind than me might understand why biting a battery would make it, work. But let's try it and see whether it worked in this occasion. Okay. No, this time didn't work. Oh,